Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we have a very interesting problem. So in this problem we have one employee counts table, and in this table we have department number and counts. So let's see this table's values now. So under department number 10 we have count of employee as 3. That means there is a department number. In this department number there are 3 employees working. Similarly we have this department number 20, and in this department 20 there are 5 employees who are working. Similarly we have this department 30, and under this department there are 6 employees. And from this input table we want to create an output table in this structure. That means we want to convert these department rows to headers. That means if we have department 10, 20 and 30, we want these in the headers. So these headers are department number 10, department number underscore 10, department number underscore 20, and department number underscore 30. So these will become the headers, and the counts will come under these headers. So if we can see under department 10 there are 3 counts. So here in this output we want under department 10 3 counts. So this is our problem. Now let's try to see how we can solve this problem. So to solve this, what we want is we want to convert this department number into columns. So we can do this with case statement. So let's see how we can do. Select case 1, and we can say that DEPT number equal to 10. Then we want the count, right? And as this department count. Similarly, we can create 3 more headers, and the second will be for department 20 and third will be for department 30, and the names will be 20 and 30, and we want this from our employee counts table. So now let's run this tab so now let's run this query and see the result. So now you can see we have one more output, and we are getting this in our this table from this above table. So now let's try to understand why we are getting these 3 rows. So because if you can see this first row, in the first table we have department 10, under 10 department we have count as 3. So in second table under department 10 we have 3 count, and because we don't have any other department in the first row, so that is why these nulls are reflecting. Similarly for this second row, department 20 count is 5. So in this second row we have under department 20 we have count 5, and similarly for this third row under department 30 we have 6 count. So under department 30 we have count as 6. Now what we can do is, because if you can see in our final output we need the single row for them, so the single row should represent the department counts. And now we have these 3 rows. What we can do is, if we pick up the maximum number from 3 null, then we will get 3. And similarly if we'll pick the maximum from null 5 and null, we will get the 5 here. Similarly if you will pick the maximum number in the third column, we will get the 6 here. So this is how we can solve this problem. So let's pick the maximum number now, and to pick the maximum number we can use max of this. And similarly for the other 2 rows also we can pick the maximum, and let's close this brackets and let's run this query now. So now you can see we have this output, and this output is matching with our desired output. So this is how you can solve this problem. So going forward I will be posting more SQL related problems on this channel. So please like my video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.